Start by snapping your two panels together. Now, set your wire on your buckle to a 90-degree angle and to the opposite side of the recyclable logo and the part stamp number. Now drop your wire into the recessed teeth. Make sure your buckle clears the connecting wall and the base of the buckle should touch the side wall of the cylinder. Once you confirm your wire and buckle are positioned properly, you're ready to close your buckle. Now repeat the process on the opposite side. After closing your buckle, be sure to confirm that the buckle is resting below the three ridges on the back side of the connecting wall.